3 times 2 is 6. Okay, we have to multiply first the integers. Next, we have x's. Okay, let me do everything step by step. So I have x times x to negative 4. Okay, now remember, anytime there is no exponent, there is always invisible one. So I can say this is equal 6 x 1 plus negative 4. So this is equal 6x positive times negative gives me negative. So I'm going to have 1 minus 4. Okay? So this is going to be equal 6x to minus 3. Okay? Next, I'm going to convert this expression to the fraction. So I have 6x to minus 3. Why? Because I have negative exponent. Now, we said anytime we want to convert negative exponent to positive, okay, if the variable is in the numerator, I have to take that variable with this exponent down to the denominator. And this negative exponent is going to change to positive. So I'm going to have 6 over x to the third. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another example. First, I have to multiply the integers. I have 4 times 3. Okay, so I'm going to have 12x, and I have x to negative 6 times x to negative 3. Okay, anytime I have the same base, I have to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I'm going to have minus 6 plus minus 3 equals 12x minus 6 positive times negative gives me negative 3 equals 12. Negative 6 and negative 3 is negative 9. So this is x to negative 9. Because I have negative exponent, I'm going to convert this expression to fraction. 12x to negative 9 over 1. In order to convert negative exponent from the numerator, I have to bring this variable with the exponent to the denominator. That's why I'm going to have 12 over x to 9. This is the solution to this problem. Next example. What I would do first, I would multiply external exponent by every single internal exponent. Okay, so I'm going to have x minus 4 times minus 3, and I have y 2 times negative 3. I multiply external exponent by internal exponents. So I'm going to have x minus 4 times minus 3 is 12. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So I have y to negative 6. Because I have negative exponent, I'm going to convert this expression to the fraction. So I have x to 12, y to negative 6 over 1. Okay? I want to convert this negative exponent to positive. I have to take this down to the denominator. That's why my answer is going to be x to 12 over y to 6. This is the solution.